How to create a portfolio website in GoDaddy Website Builder. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can create a portfolio website for you as an artist or for a client as it is going to be an artist, for example, a designer or a freelancer, or for yourself, of course. It is going to be a very easy process. We are going to head over GoDaddy Website Builder by heading over GoDaddy.com, signing in for an account, and then we're going to see this page. In particular, we're going to head over the top or the header. We're going to select from the header elements, websites, and hosting. Now you're going to see this extended or this mega menu. We're going to choose from it a website builder. We have a free trial on it. Then you're going to sign in into your account or sign up. It is going to depend on the state of your account or your particular profile on this platform. Click on my products when you have signed in, and then you're going to see the sites or the websites that you have created. Obviously, I have created some websites into GoDaddy Website Builder. I have made some of the websites or different type of websites, and I can tell you that it is going to be very easy to create a website, especially a portfolio website. Why? Because we have a lot of pre-made or preset templates and also preset pages, or you can head over the sections and add some pre-made sections that are going to be helping you a lot. But first, you need to assure a source that you're going to put your portfolio from. So, for example, we have Canva. I already used Canva a lot, so we are going to have some designs, and you are going only to be set up the designs from your Canva, download them as PNGs or GPTs or GIFs or videos, of course, if you have some video presentations and etc. Then we're going to head over GoDaddy, for example, here, and then we're going to set up a free website. Once you have set up a free website, we are going to see the different websites that we have put. For example, here, what are you going to do or need for that website? We have two options. We have sell with an online store, booking an appointment online, or something else. So if your goal in here is going to put a portfolio for example, selling services, you're going to select sell with an online store. If you're going to have a portfolio for example, consultations or making some courses, you're going to put the book appointments online. If you're not going to have only a portfolio, so the people are going to be admiring the work of yours, asking you some questions, or giving some information about something and not expecting someone to buy something, you're going to select something else. In our case, and it is going to be the best case, you're going to select the sell an online store and also book an appointment. Who knows if you're going to change your mind in the future and put some appointments. Either way, you can go ahead and cancel these or select one of these only. And then when you're going to have your website ready, you're going to have them together put up. So I'm going to click on continue. Now, as you can see, we are going to select the category of the website that we are going to create. For example, portfolio. We're going to see the portfolio, and then we're going to have the type set. After you have confirmed the type, you're going to click on continue. Once you have continued, you're going to type in the name of your store. For example, I'm going to type in Jack's, for example, designs, like that, designs, and we're going to click on continue. After that, you can put here a physical address if you have, a phone number, and also an email. So I'm going to clear all in here. I'm not going to put any information, and we're going to click on continue. So here we have the role of the GoDaddy IRO. So the GoDaddy IRO is going to be the artificial intelligence that will help you in GoDaddy to generate the descriptions for the website. So we are going to have here a description with the AI. I'm going to use it, not skip it in this time. So we are going to type in, for example, here, I am, for example, a professional designer, or let's say motion graphic designer, or let's say logo. For example, we are going to make it much simpler. Logo designer that works on freelance, for example, freelance, and like that. And we are going to click on continue. We're going to wait for the website architecture to build up. Then we're going to have our website set up in just a few seconds. So basically, the IRO, or the AI for GoDaddy website builder, is going to generate the texts and also descriptions. So here, as you can see, it is not going to be that accurate for the images, because it is not going to provide for you the images, but it is going to instead have you only the website, as you can see, and the different compartment. So you're going to get this specific section adder. We're going to see the sections that we are going to input or we are going to hide. Here we have the about, the featured products. As you can see, since we have added a store, we have the photo gallery, which is going to be our portfolio, and this is a very crucial. We have the online appointments, which is going to be something that we are going to work within in the future. For example, for getting some reservation for or appointments for courses, consultations, and etc. We have the contact us, social media links, online store, and etc. You can add, so for example, an introduction, a content, for example, if you're going to put something in here, our portfolio for, I don't know, here. Subscribe, we're going to have here maybe some sign up forms and maybe some Q&As. When you finish that, you're going to click on continue to my site after you have enabled or ticked all the necessary for you, of course, sections. Then you're going to see it like that. I'm going to skip all type of tours, but I am going basically here to select one of the cover medias like this one, and we are going to change it. So I'm going to put an image and we're going to change the image. So I'm going to have here the GoDaddy images. I'm going to have something else. So these are going to be something like that. I am going to have this instead. So it is maybe more convenient. So we are going to insert it instead of that specific or the old one. We're going to wait for it until it is going to be uploaded like that. We're going to click on done. And now we have the website. So if you want to create a custom domain for that website, you need to upgrade to a paid plan. So you can go ahead and connect a custom, as you can see, domain from GoDaddy. You can go ahead and select a plan. It is not going to be as, let's say here, expensive as you can think, but you need to have the specific um, build yearly, and everything is going to be all right. So you can also use the basic one. So you're going to have it in here. Now, aside from that plan, I'm not going to talk about the plans. So you can go ahead and start by adding some sections that are specified for the portfolios. So you're going to head over the image galleries. So make sure that you are going to put some image galleries. So I'm going to click on image galleries. We have the badges. Maybe the photo gallery is going to be something that is pretty much needed. So you're going to have this one, add something that is going to represent your portfolio. Click on here, add this item, and then you can go ahead and start modifying the photos. So basically you can go ahead and adjust the images. They are going to be adjusted even. And then you can go ahead and add whatever images that you want. Make sure that you're going to add the best quality images that you can find into your portfolio from Canva. For example, you're going to download one of the images like this, and then you're going to have it right away. This is a PDF, I think, so I can go ahead and transfer a PDF into a let's say a image by clicking on share. Then we're going to click on the first page, download it as a PNG. We're going to wait for it. Then we are going to add it in here. So I am going to click on plus, and I'm going to try and drag and drop the image. So it is going to be doable. So we are going to have the image added, and then we're going to add it to that specific gallery. So the portfolio is going to be recognized as a photo gallery, also a service added. So let me show you how you can add the services. I'm going to add this photo in here. And we are going to head over, for example, the online store. You can go ahead and add or head over your online, click on add products, and then you're going to start creating your store. So I'm going to add the product manually. If it is going to be something digital, or it is going to be the case in our portfolio, you're going to type in the name of the product. For example, let's say here design kit or color kits, color kits, and then you're going to add the image for that color kits, then description, so the colors that you're going to use. Either you're going to give them a text code or a hex code, or HTML code, and also the product category are going to add, for example, I don't know, here you are going to add whatever you want. Downloadable content, you're going to add the PDF file or the type of, or the HTML code that you're going to have in here. When you finish setting up everything, you're going to have your appointments. Also, we need to set up the appointments. So you're going to add the service manually. You're going to put the service name, the duration with hours and minutes, the price, for example, an amount, free, custom, or something like that. For example, like that, and the payment, or we are going to put it as a full payment, for example, in advance. You're going to put the description of that appointment and the service location, which is going to be online or virtual. So we are going to put the link of the meeting and also some notes for the customers that are going to reserve that service. Then you're going to add an image or an illustration for that specific, let's say here, a specific service. So we are going to have it just like that. Click on done and it is going to be added right away. You can control them or control these type of services or manage them into the GoDaddy website or the dashboard of that specific website when you publish every specific aspect of it. So aside from that, you can go ahead and mention the services that you are going to put, because we have here this, as you can see, section. You're going to have service, for example, 1, service 2, just like that. I'm going to put here service, for example, 2 in here. And we are going to have something added just like that with this simplicity. So I'm going to put it like this. And we are going to mention the services, the type of the services, and also the starting price of each one of the service and the duration that will take. Also, we can go ahead and have here, as you can see, the subscribe, for example, for more, let's say here, content or ideas, for example. And then you're going to have them just like that. I'm going to get, for example, 5% off when you are going to set up this, and then you're going to put a discount code. Basically, that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.